her shit too, ho. Say she not the coldest, she be giving you the flu, though. Pretty ass bitch, but I got a few demons. Please don't make me take it back to 83rd and Muskegon.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I prefer SB. So I'm in the middle of trying to recreate. Let me mute this for a second. I'm in the middle of trying to recreate the Rick Owens Joggers. So what you're gonna need is basically some eyelets. I got this kit from Amazon. I like this little tool, and then it came with like a hole puncher. Use I would say a knife, and then that's about it. Oh, and a hammer, but if you don't have a handle and a hammer, but if you don't have a hammer, you could use something that you have that's hard laying around. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this candle to smash them in. So I'm gonna show you what I have so far. Oh yeah, and a marker, so you can mark off where you want your eyelets at. So I was just freehanding some shit earlier. I had did these just playing around, and then now I'm just, oh yeah, and shoestring. You definitely gonna need shoestring to put through the eyelets. But I took a permanent marker and I just basically marked, oh my fucking god, if I don't change my smoke detector thing, I'm gonna go crazy. Basically you're just gonna mark the spots that you want to put your eyelets at or whatever, and I'll show you the process, and then I'll show you when I get done. I'm not gonna do my whole pencil. I want mine to be different, but this is what I have so far. Like I said, you could just mark the areas where you want to place your eyelets at. And yeah, so I'm gonna be using like a 10 shoestring white and maybe a black or red. This depends on what I'm trying to go for. And the color of my joggers, they are like a khaki olive green or whatever. This is the next little hole that I got makeshift or whatever. So like I said, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this little thing that comes in your eyelet kit, which is right there, the back of the eyelet here, which is actually the front. So you want to put this on top of the eyelet. Let me do that again. You want to take this and you want to just drop it right down. What the fuck out the way? Right down on this. Cool. So then after that, you want to put this basically face forward inside the hole. And I'm gonna come back and show you what you're gonna do with the other side. So this is the next piece that you're gonna need. So I'm just gonna pick this up with my finger. So this, the side with the ridges, you wanna put that down, and I'm gonna just go ahead and put that underneath this little hole. So do that, and then you take this tool that come in your eyelet kit and just put it right down over that. And like I said, if you ain't got no hammer, you would just use something that's hard in your house. I'm using a candle because I don't have no fucking hammer, but I do got the blicky. Okay. But no, all jokes aside, just use something hard, and then you just gonna start. I can't even do it how I would do it because I'm holding it. I would usually hold my hand on this and start hitting it hard, and then it falls into place. So I'll come back with the finished product. Take it off, it'll be ready. Just lift it up and then flip it over. There's your eyelet. This side is done. This side ain't done yet. So when it get done, I'll show you what it look like. But when I start lacing this up or whatever, if I feel like I need to add more holes throughout, then I'll do that. So, yep. So we'll see. Walmart, they didn't have like a lot of variety of shoestrings or whatever. So what I ended up getting was this bias tape, and then they didn't have that much like ribbon and shit. So I got this cream color and this brown color and this gray color just to offset it. This is the size of it, so it's a pretty good size. And I'm just gonna, like, it looks like that. So and it's actually 3 yards and it's 0.5 inches wide. So I'm gonna start lacing it up, and then we'll come back with the final look. So this is the final look with the strings that I had did and the eyelets. I'm gonna try them on so you guys can see. how that look on. Like I said, if I need to add more, I probably won't add more because this is a really strenuous project. So I'm gonna leave mine like this and I'm gonna see you guys can see.